in hand tonight, feeling so lost and alone. Something's pushing me to write these words I've never shown. My heart is breaking at the seams. I need to find my way back home. And as the ink begins to flow, these tears begin to fall. There's something happening, I know, beyond these bedroom walls. Dear God, these pages, hear my prayer. Hear my prayer. The words are spilling everywhere. I'm finding you right there, between the lines of my despair. Finding you there. Ooh, I'm finding you in every word I write. Dear diary, can't sleep, third cup of coffee. Crossed out words, trying to breathe. Delete, delete, delete. Start again, help me please. Make sense of this mess inside of me. Wait, is that your voice I hear, coming through my trembling hand? Every letter drawing near to help me understand. Dear God, these pages hear my prayer. The words are spilling everywhere. I'm finding you right there, between the lines of my despair. Finding you there. Ooh, finding you in every word I write. Paper and pen become my light. Your love flows through what I write, through what I write.